Okay, welcome back students. We want to look at another geometric word problem. And in this problem, we're told that 420 meters of fencing are needed to enclose a rectangular field. If one side is 90 meters more than the other, find the dimensions of the field. Of course, the first step is to draw a rectangle, right? And once again, we're called upon the use of algebra to solve this problem because we don't really know what the sides are in terms of measurement, right? But we know that one is 90 meters more, which means that we're going to label the shorter side x, and the longer side obviously would be x plus 90. And of course, this is in meters, right? X meters. Now, obviously, if this is a rectangle, it means that the parallel sides are equal. So there will be another x over here, meters, and there will be another x plus 90 meters, right? And we're asked to find the dimensions. So what the problem is actually asking is for us to find the length times the width. That's all we need to do. But before we can actually find these two dimensions, we have to calculate the value of x by adding together everything that's around this triangle and making everything equal to 420. So in actual fact, we're going to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So let's begin here first. We're going to put x plus 90. We're going to add this x. We're going to add back this x plus 90. And we're going to add this x. And everything should be equal to 420. Right? And how many x's do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 4 x's. And we have 2 90s. That's 180. Going to equal to 420. Remember, our goal is to solve for x. And once we find x, we automatically find the dimension of this rectangular field, all right? And we're going to subtract the 180 from here. And we're going to do it on both sides. We're going to subtract 180 from both sides because we really want to isolate x. So these two are going to cancel, leaving us with 4x. And that's going to be equal to what? 180 from 420, that looks like 240, if my math is correct. Of course, we want to isolate x, so we're going to divide both sides by 4. So it's going to be 4x over 4 is going to be equal to 240 over 4. This 4 will cancel this 4, leaving us with x, and x is going to be equal to what? This looks like 60. So there we go. We now know that this is 60 meters. And if it's this is 90 meters more than this, then we simply add 60 plus 90, and that will give us 150 meters, right? That will give us 150 meters. Sorry about the blur, but this side is really 150 meters, right? So in actual fact then, we could actually conclude by saying, therefore, the dimension of the rectangular field is 60 meters wide and 150 meters long. So that actually is the answer. That's what dimensions mean. That's what dimension means. You're actually finding the length and the width of the rectangular field, right? I trust you found this problem educational, informative, and thanks for watching.